Before you start this job, you want to make sure the vehicle's in four-wheel high. You may have a different selector switch. And also put the parking brake on and shock the rear wheels if you're not lifting the vehicle completely off the ground. And it's a good idea to have the front wheels off the ground. We're going to take this four-wheel drive motor off the transfer case. We are doing another job. That's why this bar is not in the way. Normally you would have this bar up in the way, so it'd be a little bit tighter when you're working on it. What we want to do is disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. Slide that off. There's the connector right there. Now there's a bolt right here, and there's 3 bolts on the motor housing itself. Take this bolt off here. Use a 10mm socket. And now I'll take these bolts out. Take those bolts out. And just gently underneath here, I'm going to use a pry bar. Just be careful, you don't want to break the case. Loosen that up. And just slide it off. Just going to use a scraper, just scrape some of the sealer that's on the case. Just be careful. Just wipe it down with a little brake parts cleaner. Just take a little RTV sealer. Just put a nice thin bead all the way around here. Now take the new encoder motor. You may have to rotate the shaft right there to make it line up, but give it a try first. And that's lined up. That's good. And take the bolts, get the bolts started. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 89 inch-pounds. Now take the connector, line it up, and lock it in place.